So today I just want to encourage somebody. Maybe you're out there, you've done your school, you've done your masters, you have your certificates, you have everything it takes to get a job out there, but you walk into an interview and then you fail, and then they say you're not eligible for this job, you didn't qualify, you're not good for this job, like somebody else got your position. Remember this, there's one thing I need you to understand today. You can get an E in an interview but get an A in life. You can get an E in education but get an A in life. It's not just a job interview. Maybe you went for an audition, maybe you're an actor, a musician, or a comedian, and they said, hey, you've been disqualified. Remember this, if you can talk, you can sing, and if you can walk, you can dance. So everything is possible in this life. If they disqualified you, it doesn't mean that the next audition somewhere else you're gonna be disqualified. The birds of the air, God provides for the birds of the air. Every day they feed, they have kids of their own, they live well, they live under shelter, and God always provides for the birds of the air. When you learn from your mistake, one mistake is like a stepping stone to another success. Do not sit back and let your emotions be drowned away because of what happened at the interview. Do not sit down and start saying, I am not worthy. There is power in the word of the mouth. When you wake up in the morning, bless your day, command your day. Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. So speak for your day, command your day. When the year 2019 started, what did you say? Did you just tell 2019, please be good to me? Or did you say 2019, don't be bad like 2018? There's power in the word of the mouth. Everything you say, it connects to the spirit and brings forth into actions. Life has a different choices, and when they throw to you lemons, take them and make lemonades. When they put you into test, make sure you become out with a testimony, because your life is a reflection of what other people will emulate. Maybe God never purposed for you to get that job because He's purposed for you to get a better job out there. So stop pushing it hard. When God moves you from one place to another, just accept the change. Money is not everything. Health, peace, and love is everything in this world. When you're peaceful, when your health is good, when you have people who love you, that is all that matters. You will be happy, and one day, one time, you're gonna make it in this life. Your breakthrough can come after 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 6 years. You never know. As they say in my country language, kazi ni kazi, man. Job is a job. Whether you're sweeping, whether you're doing haircuts, whether you're doing salon, whether you're singing, whether you're acting, a job is a job. As long as it provides for you, it brings food on your table, it pays your bill, supports your family, a job is a job. God Himself cannot put you in situations you can't handle. Where God sends His will, He must send His bill. When God puts you in a situation, He has a way out. And finally, guys, it's always good to support each other. When you have a job opportunity, give it to somebody. It doesn't have to be somebody you know. It doesn't have to be your friend. Respect others, whether they're jobless or they're employed in the biggest companies, because every day, every time, people are fighting wars and battles you have no idea about. So giving them a hand of courtesy, encouraging them is a good thing. So keep up and you'll get a job very soon. Successful people always fail and fail and fail, and one time they come and make it because they never gave up. Never quit, because your dream is valid. You can make it, and once, as Obama said, yes, you can. I'm praying for you and I'm wishing you luck. Be blessed. Support me today. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment, and let me know what you think. Your questions, I'll be answering them. So just drop them down here on the comment box. This is M4J Official. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere. M4J Official, man. I love you guys.